Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your boy, Big Mike Trades, Mag Trades. Now, I want to take a minute and look at this trade real quick that I took about a couple hours ago. See, I bought it at 2:56, 3 p.m. Not an ideal time, but I bought I can't remember. Bought something, but you can see on the 1 hour time frame, market open, blah 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 blah. This is Monday, 7 p.m. and then I knew liquidity was gonna be swept here because there's a wick right here, and it's the 100 EMA, of course. And so I placed my limit buy here. I got wicked in. Price drove up. 4 p.m., 5 p.m. we had some kind of a rejection off the 20 EMA, and then at 7 p.m. we had this huge wick rejection off the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, and then we had a huge bump up 8 p.m. over here, and then we kind of retraced back down at 9 p.m. and then we can see that on the 1 hour there's also two other rejection candlesticks off the 200 and 100 EMA, or 250 EMA. So I personally think that my buy position was pretty good. I mean, I do think it's pretty good off the 100 EMA. If you open it up, you can see liquidity was swept here multiple times, here, basically all of these right here. These 1, 2, 3, possibly even this, here. So I thought my positioning was pretty good. I entered my trade pretty well. Let's go to the 15 minute and we can get a clearer picture. So right now it is looking pretty bearish. I took a trade right here, entered into this candlestick. Prediction was right. It did bump off the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, which is the 100 EMA on the 1 hour. So and then it went back up, took out these highs and drove price lower, but we still have this 200 EMA as acting as support on the 15 minute time frame. So, you know, I'm kind of in a position where, like, I did exit the trade. You can see not too long ago, but now it's retracing back. Now I did close it before this 1 hour candlestick closed, and you can see that price touched the 200 EMA, and then I got scared and then I exited, because we did have three red candles, but it did get rejected 2 times already, but I did just get scared a little bit, so I did pull out. That's what she said. So 15 minute. So right now all the EMAs are clustering together, and there's going to be a big move coming. So, okay, so we see that the 20 EMA has crossed the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, which basically means there's going to be a sell-off. But if we go to the 4 hour, we can see this 200 EMA support, which is roughly 27.27% away from where price is currently at. So we're just gonna have to look at that. Yeah, we can see the 100 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA is right here. And if we do get a bearish engulfing candlestick, I will sell. Where will I sell? Well, if we search for liquidity, looks like we already had it. Let's go to the daily time frame. I honestly hate this choppy ass shit. Look at this weird ass motherfucker. But it did reject off this 100 EMA. Of course, 100 EMA is super support, and also is 200. But I mean, you can see from this high here, took 13 days. We can see this inverse hammer right there. Is it? No, not really. That's not. But yeah. So I'm honestly I'm just waiting out until price is rejected. Okay, so right now it is going down. It did reject off the 20 EMA right now. We're having a big sell off here. Maybe this might be just a wick. I was in profit like $4.50, but you know, money, it doesn't really matter how much it is. It's just depending on how much or how well I did. Overall, I think my trade was pretty good. Well, at least my positioning for my limit buy. But I don't think it's gonna be going up. It's gonna be coming down. This is Tuesday in the morning. I mean, it could still go up, I feel like. Take out liquidity again and then go back up. Let's look at the 2 hour. Because we are bullish. We are bullish on the 2 hour. We still haven't broken the structure. You can see that it's still choppy. It's just ranging to the side. So I can't really tell you until there's an actual breakout. But I mean, yeah, we're just honestly waiting to see the breakouts. Something I do want to start doing is after every single trade or during a trade, I do want to record myself trading, because I feel like when I do record myself trading, it makes me obviously like make better decisions. I'm not trading off emotions. I'm trading off what the price is telling me and market structure. So that's something I do want to continue on doing. But we're just gonna have to see. Oh yeah, my entry was rock solid, not gonna lie. But daily, it is losing a little bit of momentum. I'm still skeptical about buying, but honestly, we just have to wait and see. Just wait and see. Let's go to the 1 minute. You can see it's just doing its thing. Rejected off 200 EMA. Okay, hold on. Really don't like this. So I hate that noise. You can see like price just barely passed these lows, took out these lows, but you can see I sold here, so I bought down here in my limit buy, but then I sold right here right before it retraced back up. So I'm in a pickle right now, and I don't want to get mad at myself because of me closing my trade early. I mean, I did make 72 cents, so it's better than nothing. But we can see right now it is rejecting, but I'm still not sure how to feel about it. Maybe we can see this shit. I mean, it looks pretty. I mean, it looks bearish to me. I'm not gonna lie. Let's look at the 5 minute. Maybe this will help. If I put a, not really. Really didn't really help much. So basically, until this, yeah, so okay, this is the game plan. Okay, it is looking bullish now. Man. Okay, so it is losing. Sellers are losing momentum. Let's put the volume back in here. Volume. You can see these 3 candlesticks right here. It wasn't greater than these 2 candles. I mean, at least this one was smaller than these, but I mean, we're just waiting, honestly, at this point. But since there is like 3 like wicks rejecting from the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, it is convincing me that it is bullish, but the trend is, I would be counter trending it, so I guess not. On the 4 hour, see, it hasn't broken structure. See, if we put trending top smart money concepts, yeah, so it hasn't broken any structure yet. Yeah. Well, honestly, it is looking bearish now. Yeah, it's definitely bearish. Well, it's too early to tell, honestly. Nah, I think it's pretty obvious. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious. So, but how far is it gonna go? I mean, I hate the markets right now, especially with the stupid fucking terrorists. Look at this shit. The fuck is this? I mean, it's just absolute dookie, man. I hate it. I hate it, dookie, man. I mean, RSI's over fucking sold to the shitter, or overbought to the shitter. I mean, look at this. Look at this chart. Okay, so right now this is telling me it's bullish. But if you go to the 15 minute, it's at 47, rejected off the 100 EMA. 30 minute, rejected off 50 EMA, sellers are losing momentum. I mean, it's looking pretty bullish, but I mean, the RSI is 62. So, I mean, yeah. I'm gonna even trade this week, cause like it's just weird. I missed this entire thing, and it's like, all right, whatever. Well, I just could just wait. Okay, let's say price were to go down. What lows is it gonna take out? It's gonna take out these lows. Yeah, this low right here is gonna take out this low. Okay, take out this low. So let's see. Let's put in a thing right here. Bang, bada boom. So we're gonna have to wait for a retest. So yeah, retest gonna take out those lows. We can look on the 1 hour, see which lows is gonna take out. So this is basically what I am thinking. 4 hour. Let's see how it looks on the 4 hour. Man, it looks pretty reasonable to me. Looks pretty reasonable to me, man. I mean, on 4 hour, it's losing momentum. Daily, it's losing momentum for the sellers, but we are in a downward trend on the daily. Liquidity sweep up here. Might honestly come out and take these lows. You might as well just put it over here, which is 55%. But if you are thinking about the economy right now, about the tariffs, it would, because on market open Sunday, the USD CHF lost up 1.3%. It was fucking crazy. I don't really think price will actually go down all the way over here. I mean, it will take out these lows possibly and then retrace back up. Because look at this. I'm about to blow your mind. I blew my own mind. I was wrong. Alright, so this 200 EMA is pretty much non-existent. It would be, okay, yeah, it is not going up there. Oh yeah, it is 12:30 right now. Okay, so if you go in the 5 minute, it is in a downward trend. If it still hasn't broken this structure, it is a strong support, but RSI is below 50. Momentum is pretty good. It's just a waiting game, man. Okay, it looks like it's going up. We're going to be looking for rejections off 100 and 200 EMA. Definitely going to be 100 EMA. But, yeah. I mean, right now it's going up. I mean, market's not even open, so we're just gonna have to wait. Guys, I'm fucking tired. What in the fuck? Okay, so this supports this. Okay, but like, look at it. It's the RSI is dookie. It's oversold. Over Fortnite sold. Rejection off 100 EMA. Rejection off 100 EMA. Rejection off 100 EMA. 100 rejection off 100 EMA. Liquidity. But what are we thinking, man? What the fuck are we thinking? Yeah, because this might be a change of, this is a change of character, but you see it, price did reject off these highs right here. It is in a bearish trend on the 4 hour. Okay, because 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, chat. Time will tell. It's already been 21 minutes since I started fucking recording. What the fuck? Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this price action is not. It's not it, bro. We're gonna have to wait. This is the one thing I hate about trading, is fucking waiting. Because like, price makes you think it's gonna go this way, but then it just Jew fake out, and then you're fucked. Like like, this is making me think bullish because there's so many rejections off the 200 EMA, but at the same time there's also these rejections off of here, making me think it is bearish. RSI is below 50. RSI is below 50 here. Rejection off the 100. Fuck. I guess I could sell. And I think I do have to sell. Because in order for USD CHF and NZD USD to go back up, or not USD CHF, but yeah. So if we look on here, yeah, the RSI is way fucked on here. So it needs to like get a hold of itself, the RSI, go back to 40, 45, so I can actually make a move. You can see it's gonna retest the 100 EMA. You can see that this is a strong high. This is where it's gonna recollect itself. It's trying to, you see, price is driving itself up so it can recollect itself and then eventually fall back down. Meaning, in theory, it takes out these highs and then drives price lower. But look at this fucking chart. What the hell is this? How far is this? Here, 66%. Holy moly schmoly. And this is a 4 hour. I would say, yeah, this is definitely liquidity right here. Yeah, so liquidity is literally right around here where it already was. But the RSI, man, the fucking RSI. RSI is a dookie, man. Recommend. So you drive his price is price is driving itself higher. 20 EMA across all the other EMAs. Short term. So I'm assuming that's the game plan. I'm pretty sure that's the game plan. So 15 minutes. Because if you can see on the right now, it's yep, still ranging, bro. Still Fortnite ranging. 16%. Coke in my room. Coke in my room. What is it? Is this a fucking what is this? What is this screen? Is this supposed to be a fair value gap? That is not a fair value gap. My brother, that is not. So if price wants to go lower, it would have to go higher. Take out these highs to drive the price lower. It would have to get 200 EMA to be crossed by all of these right here. Difficult decisions. You can see prices already being rejected. Oh god. Yeah, bro, what is this price action? So you see, okay, so price is rejecting this. Okay, hold on, let's pay attention to here. So price is gathering itself again. Okay, so we do have these lows right here. That's only 6%. Okay, so if I was price, okay, so price is moving. My mouse is fucking broken. So right now, would it be a good time to buy? 9. Still nothing. Man, this price is making this shit difficult, bro. See, NZD USD is still going up. Trying to at least. So price is probably gonna go. Oh, is price gonna leave us, guys? Oh no, rejection off the 200 EMA. 1 minute. Rejection off 50 EMA. Okay, so rejection off 20 EMA. Okay, so let's see a rejection off this. Euro USD is going down. That means this is gonna go up. Fuck. Like, but which one is real? Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. 32 minutes and counting. See, it still wants to recollect itself because it rejected off this 200 EMA. But now it's rejecting this fair value gap. Even though it's not. But it's saying that it is. Still chop chop chop. Chop chop chop. Oh, jeez. 5 months trading, I feel like I haven't learned anything. Need these A-tier setups, bro. I mean, this is okay. Price is definitely going to go up from here, but then eventually come back down. How far? That's a good question, because you cannot go up 33%, break structure, so it can go back down. I mean, unless it's a liquidity sweep. So 33%. I mean, let's say this right here. Okay, so right here. 23%. I mean, price has to reject off this. Drive price lower. We are at a very strong support, but the tariffs are fucking it. So, I mean, technically it would crash it like it did last week or this week. I mean, look at this chart, man. It's all red. You can see there's only 3 green candlesticks. This one, and this one. The rest is fucking... the rest are red. Joke in my room. Coke in my room. Yeah, you see, buyers are driving the price up. Which is totally normal. Back at GBP USD. Still rejection. What the hell? Still rejecting. Euro USD when I was okay. So I was looking for let's look at the 4 hour. What the fuck? Okay, so if we're looking at this, what does this look like to you? A liquidity sweep. Took out this high. People thought, wait, that would mean that makes no sense. How the fuck does this make sense? So people were saying, okay, I'm selling here. Or selling here. Damn, that's 51%. Fuck. What the fuck? So 51%. Okay, so this is... So from here to here is 43%. But from this change of character to here is 16%. You look at the 4 hour, it's oversold. Okay, so it does have to come back down, retest. Which area though? Which area? 1 hour, that's 34%, 2 hour. This is what? 19%, 36%, 29%, 25%. Okay. So basically what this chart is telling me, I put my limit by here. Or right below it. Like right here. On the 50 EMA. So why would you do that? Why would you do that? So you have these lows over here. These highs right here. Let's take out these lows or these highs right here and drive price higher. Because this is what happened damn near yesterday on some other chart. So you about to sell in. Because what? It's going to take out these lows? $169. 18%. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, this is kind of... Okay. Okay, this supports my idea. Okay, yeah. Alright. So technically, I would have my buy limit here. Because it gives it enough time to... I mean, if at that point... Let's see how far this is. So, from the purple to the blue, to 200 EMA, and 100 EMA is, fuck, I forgot, 10%? 12%? Gotta make sure I'm right. Or around 15%, 12%, so. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Because we already broke structure, meaning we are in a, this was the reversal, so now we are in bearish or bullish momentum. If you look at the daily, jeez. It does have this weak high. That's 1.8%. Damn. So from here to here, 72% not happening, but from here to here, 31%, which could happen. You see, it's dying here, dying there as well. Alright, chat, let's do it. We did analysis. 22%. Well, another, so it'd be 30% to drive price higher. And we're hopefully, we're getting into the wick. It's Wednesday. Still being weird as fuck. Buy limit. Right under these levels is 20%, 27%, 23%. Yep. 1 hour. Let's see. It's right around. Okay, liquidity does sweep this multiple times, which yeah. Making see it clear on there. So my hope is, yeah, that's, I'm pretty sure that's fine. I mean, a 4 hour, how much would I have to go down now? Because if it's already at 68, and it's around 45 to 52. And that's what, like, 16%, like we said. And that's the 4 hour. I don't think. Okay, so that's 20%. So negative 20%, 28%, 0.28%. Because I do feel like, yeah, liquidity is mostly swept on these highs right here to drive price higher. I mean, it says weak high. Take out these highs. And it does. Wait, let's see. You can see right here on the daily. Go in my room. Go in my room. Alright, but it is dying, so yeah, I think we're good. And it might honestly not even hit my limit buy. You do have this 100 EMA over here, and price might be able to gather itself from here. No, it doesn't need to drop lower. That's 5%. We're gonna lock it in. Geopolitical and tariff risk back with a bang for markets. Investors fear lasting turbulence from renewed tariff threats. Market volatility rises as stocks, treasuries, and dollars sell off. Yeah, we noticed that. What is this name right here? Saqib Iqbal Ahmed and Louis Cruz Kapov. As President Donald Trump kicks off the second year of his term in office, the geopolitical and tariff-related volatility that characterized his return to power has resurfaced to shake markets. Investors who have been conditioned to asset prices swiftly rebounding are worried that this time there could be more lasting damage. I'm gonna turn into Kaisena right now. Volatility measures across asset classes rose while stocks, U.S. long-dated treasuries, and the U.S. dollar sold off on Tuesday, a day after Trump threatened to rekindle a trade war with Europe over the U.S. administration's aim to take over Greenland, threatening to blow apart the political and military alliance that has underpinned Western security for decades. The threats have revived talk of the Sell American trade that emerged following last year's Liberation Day tariff announcement in April. Damn, that was in April. While investors shying away from U.S. assets. I mean, look at this. I mean, wow. Look at this chart. Doesn't this look like a beautiful chart to you? The dollar in the shitter. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, just cutting rates. I mean, inflation is just fucking crazy right now. I mean, it is. Inflation is kind of down, but you know, it is what it is, man. I mean, the stock market is dumping because of the fucking tariffs. So okay, yep, I'm locking it in. I mean, at this point, I might as well just put it right here. 44. %. Alright. Let's see. Guys, we are risking our risk management. I've been risking around like $5 to $10. Sometimes even like 15. I don't think I've ever traded 15. But like around $12. But yeah, like I do like having more than a 2 risk to reward ratio. Yes, that is a risk that I do lower my percentage for my stop loss, but I I mean, the risk to reward. I mean, as long as my my technical analysis and like where I put my stop loss, I mean, I think it should be fine. Like for example, I do it off the EMA, of course, the MACD. So if price were to come down on the 1 hour, let's say, it would have to lose, let's see, from price right now, 46%. All right, so if it does lose 46%, then that means there's a reversal. There's got to be something, you know, something bad happened at the euro. It makes the euro go down. But where my stop loss is at, I mean, I think it's pretty safe, because it does have to drop 20% to reach my limit buy. But at that point, I'm pretty sure Trump will put even more tariffs, because he did say he would raise the tariffs by 10%, if they don't agree in the next couple of days. So, and if there is a tariff increase, I mean, the US dollar will plummet. And by the time that happens, Euro USD will hopefully hit my buy limit. And when the tariffs are implemented even more, the increased tariffs, it's going to drive the US dollar down and the euro up. So that is the game plan. And the game plan is pretty sketchy. I mean, because I am hoping that Trump does implement those tariffs on EU. So it does look like we are having this is a weak low. It is showing good signs. So okay, so all right, looking pretty good. We do have to be careful right now. It is at 48. Oversold is 30. So yeah, let's see. I am scared of this 100 EMA. We're gonna have to see if price does reject off of this, but hopefully by the time it does, probably get there in the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes. When market does open at 3, there probably will be a huge sell-off, which will get me to my limit. Yeah. 20.22%, 25 pips. I might as well just raise it. Oh wait, no, lower it. I'm always trying to be safe. I have been realizing I do like having my stop loss super tight, because the risk reward ratio is just too hard to pass up on, man. If you know something is gonna go up, why would you have a big ass stop loss? The reason, so you can save your money. All right. So I do try to have it around like 2.5, 2.75. Of course, you're supposed to have it around 2, like 28% compared to your 0.71%. Let's go to the 4 hours, see how this looks. Let's say price did come down here, bought in. I don't think I would get wicked out, because you would have to, let's see how far this is, right here to right here. So 15%. I think that's pretty good, pretty safe. I could put it right under this low right here, but just to save my sanity, I am gonna leave it right there. Right here, minus 20.28%, minus 32 pips. Yeah. But I guess I could argue that the 20 EMA did cross all the other EMAs in the span of a couple of days, or just matter of fact, today, from 9 a.m. to now. So, which means like there is a long-term aspect to this, which mean I could move my. That's way too hard. That's a lot. I'm gonna keep it like that. I can always increase it when the markets do open, but I'm gonna have it up here. Here, let's see. Put it this high. $2.67. Oh my gosh. Alright, so GBP is dumping right now. Okay, this is good. This is good. It's supporting my thought process. 2832.8. Okay, let's see. I have $282, and let's say I am very confident in my decision based on technical analysis. I want to trade 25. Holy shit. Let's trade $30, bro, to make 80. At the end of the day, it's only $30 out of 282, which brings me to 150. But it is $30, and that is a huge chunk of money. But if I do win, I get $80, which brings me to 360. 375. Right. Ooh, what the fuck is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Okay, so I did. Wait. What the fuck? Okay. Looks like Euro USD is already leaving without us. Bye bye. There's no way. There's no fucking way. Okay, I'm not trading $30. Put $5 in. Bye. I don't understand how. Yeah, dude, there's no way. It's overbought. It's gotta come down. Like, this is already rejecting too. I mean, last night it just kept on dumping. I mean, it was like oversold and overbought. So, I mean, I don't. Like, see, even NZD, USD's, even, it's still fucking going higher. This thing is still ranging. It doesn't even know what it wants to do. It's still tweaking out. This one, I mean, if I miss it, I miss it. I mean, losing money is not what I want to do. Not making money is better than losing money. So, because like last night, everything was geopolitically like motivated because of the Greenland shit and the tariffs. So, I mean, all of this shit's like politically motivated, but like that was like super huge. So, I'm still looking for rejection over here. It's like, look at this oversold. Like, bro, what? AUD USD. Poopy. What the fuck? Yeah, you can see here, this is what a beautiful chart. Get the shit out of my face. I mean, yeah, look at this beautiful chart. What the fuck? Oh, USD CAD. Look at this fucking chart. I want to sell this. Sell. Okay, so this could easily be a huge move. You can take out these lows, especially since there's a rejection off these 200 EMA on the daily. I think this could be an easy trade, honestly. Take out these lows. 35% is pretty respectable. Not 35%, 0.35%. I mean, from just looking at it, I mean, it looks pretty. The RSI though, it's always the RSI, bro. It's always the RSI. Well, would you look at this? Price broke under. Oh, look at this. Liquidity. Oh, look at this. Liquidity. Oh, would you look at that? What the hell? Oh, look at this. Liquidity. What the fuck? Man, it looks like it's dumping right now. Rejection off 200. I mean, this could be a pretty easy trade, honestly. Smoke in my room, boop in my boop. Oh, look at that. Bye. Okay, so right now I think I'm looking for, you're right, the rejection off 100 EMA. Rejection off 20 and 50 EMA. Oh. 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 Oof. What the fuck? Right now, like I said, it's just a waiting game, man. Just a fucking waiting game. I have been recording for an hour now, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will keep you guys posted. I do want to keep on doing more of these. Hopefully not as long, because I don't really do much. Just looking at fucking charts for an hour long. Not even taking a trade, but you know, I'm gonna keep on doing it until I fucking die or get bored and just give up. Well, if I'm not profitable in the next like 1 year and a half, or at least see some improvement, then I must be doing something wrong, because it looks like we are getting a pretty strong rejection from the 20 EMA. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Have a good night, have a good week, and be safe. See ya. Peace.